Hey, Subi and Ruby here, back with another install. Today we will be installing the Suparee third brake light kit for the Jeep Wrangler JL. It should be plug and play. So what you'll need is just something to remove your spare tire with, some torque spits just to remove the bolts around the third brake light, and definitely something to torque back your spare tire. So I'm gonna get to that, but can you please just like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll be right with you. Alrighty, so we've already removed the tire, and we will be removing just these bolts all around, and it's gonna just require a T25. So I'm just using my tool that was supplied by Jeep and just a T25 for that. And I did forget, once you remove the all these little bolts, you're gonna need a small pry tool to just pop it off. So I do have just my own little set of pry tools, but a little screwdriver would work, or just any pry tools that you have. Alrighty, so now we've already removed the plastic housing. It takes a little finagling with the pry tool if it's your first time removing, but now we're just going to focus on removing the third brake light connector, and this is what we will be using to connect our Suparee light to. So once we do that, we'll get right back to you. Alright, so pretty much what we ended up doing is, once we mount it down through here, I ran the wires actually up this way and went all the way across to connect it. The instructions do say to go up this way, but I just wanted it to have a cleaner look, so I ran them down this way, ran them over here. Once everything got bolted back up, it did leave a small little space, not much though, just because of the thicker cable. And here we have now pretty much just how it would look. There you go. So it's pretty bright, it's pretty nice. There you go. Alrighty, so I've already installed the tire back on, made sure that everything was torqued to spec, and as you can see, it fits perfectly, works well, plug and play. You don't have to splice or cut any wires. Definitely worth it. Yeah, and just thanks for watching. Really appreciate the support, and please don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and just help me grow my channel a little bit. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you.